knocks you over about first slip, and 20 rows back. It's brave, skillful. I think a little bit of stupidity involved there. Definitely some stupidity in that.
I would say a lot, but what a risk to take.
Rashid at 10, Matthew Fisher, who's just finished an exam this morning and rushed here as Maxwell, the very first ball, revert for 6.
Look at him on the bench.
That's exactly where that ball went from the New Zealand captain Brendan McCullum the other day. First ball, but rather different.
Maybe try and get an unplayable Yorker. How about a bouncer? How about something to rattle the cage? How about 4 more? Was it 6 more? I think that crept up. He is exploiting the boundaries. It's his home ground. He's loving it. Absolutely loving it. Who is it? Oh, I found someone who isn't.
I think this might have gone the whole way too. It's just reinventing the art of batting.
That's 6. It really is phenomenal batting. 24 off the over.
A bit more forward movement. That's awesome. That's one for the photographers and one for our memory. Because he was getting out of the way of that at first.
Arching back and has enough presence of mind. Oh, I'll get the bat on this.
That has come right out of the middle of the bat. That's how nice it is when you've got the swing. That's extravagant, isn't it? And it says something about being 5'6".
Yeah, and something about watching the ball.
So what sort of shot was that?
It's a shot that you can play at the whacker. I think that's how you can define it.
All partnership. They've been together for 41 balls. These two, they've been talking, they've been encouraging. And now a little bit of pressure swings back to South Africa. There's a high cut shot. Third man's down on the rope. No chance. 15 from the over, 6 for 98 halfway through the innings.
Questions and answers as to why it wasn't caught. Well, Field had no chance because it went over his head. But everyone on the fence had an opportunity. And they'll be ruining the moment. If only I'd have clung onto it, I could have boasted about it for years.
Good was that. Australia under pressure. Zondiki firing up. Brett Lee's had enough of ducking and diving and
Oh, what a twig. How do you describe it? Don't ask the bowler. He looks completely flummoxed. A shake of the head by England's skipper. He doesn't know how Morgan's doing it. Unbelievable skill.